So NLTK library, and then we have imported the tweet text, natural language processing, text mining. Then the libraries folder and the data. Okay, we got the data, right? Now the cleanup process. Text pre-processing. Text pre-processing, import RE. RE is the regular expressions. RE is regular expressions which are used in your C language, Python, Java, everywhere you see these regular expressions which are your string related functions. String related function. Now I'm creating a function called clean underscore text. I'm creating a function called clean underscore text. The input will be the tweet colon. I'm creating a function called clean underscore text. Return space, single quotes or double quotes with space, single quotes or double quotes, in quotes you give the space, dot join re dot sub, re substitution, regular expression substitution. First, double quotes, open round brackets, at the rate, square bracket, A hyphen capital Z, A hyphen small z, 0 hyphen 9. 0 hyphen 9 plus. So at the rate, in tweets we have this at the rate, right? What we are telling here, the cleanup function is whatever starts with the at the rate followed by text in capital letters or small letters or numbers will be removed. Will be removed and it will be replaced with space or open bracket. Same thing, same command with hashtag. Okay, I think I forgot double quotes. Double quotes, hashtag. You can copy this at the rate and plus function till here. Control C, Control V. See, at the rate square bracket followed by capital letters or small letters, all digits will be deleted. Similarly, hashtag followed by capital letters, small letters or digits will be deleted, or open bracket, square brackets to the power of 0 to 9, A, capital Z, A minus Z, space slash T, space slash T, or there's no double quotes here. Or open bracket slash W plus I think we have to put it in straight line only. Strat slash W plus colon slash 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 S plus or round bracket, square bracket, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, comma, double quotes, colon, tweet, tweet dot split, tweet dot split. So I'll send this code in the mail. That would be better, right? I've sent it. When you're pasting it, be careful with the indentation. All of them should be in the straight line. This must be in straight line. All of them should be in red color. Okay, comma, and then you can use the split. Now let me check whether this thing is working or not. Tweet text is equal to square bracket str clean underscore text in bracket tweet come out of two brackets per tweet in tweet text. What an error. Why error we got? Unbalanced parenthesis at position 31. This one, right? You have to give one more. Huh? Where at the last? No, tweet dot split is a join. This one, right? You have to type it in straight line only. Unmatched. See, it is giving an error, bracket error, not this place. I think I put two brackets here only. I placed wrong brackets. Corrected it. Yeah, corrected it. Hey, check. I'm sending the code one more time. Or you have to remove a bracket somewhere here. This hashtag after there is a bracket, right? You remove this bracket here. Somewhere there is a second bracket here. I think this is the position where you have to check. That you remove. Then everything will fall in place. Then we'll break for 15 minutes and we'll start fresh. So we have cleaned the text, converted into data frame. Then we are using text blob from, once you have installed it, you can simply say from text blob, import text blob. T capital, B capital. I think this going off is because of the heating. You have to on AC. Because in the post lesson we don't get these problems. You have to be on the AC. Shall we on the AC? One second. I'll get them. All right, all of you got the text block. From text block, import text block. Okay, all of you imported it. Can you confirm? Now let us create a function called analyze sentiment. In text block, there is a function called polarity, sentiment polarity. This sentiment polarity score will tell us whether it is a positive sentiment, negative sentiment, or a neutral sentiment. So DEF analyze underscore sentiment is equal to a colon sentiment in bracket, the input is tweet colon analysis is equal to text blob tweet. Analysis is equal to text blob tweet if analysis dot sentiment dot polarity greater than 0 colon return positive L if analysis dot sentiment dot polarity double equals to 0 colon return neutral else colon return negative. So we have written a function called analyze on sentiment based on sentiment polarity. Sentiment polarity is a score generated by text blob library. The score is generated by the text blob library. Where are you stuck here? No? The sentiment library text blob will create, text blob has this sentiment polarity score. If it is greater than 0, positive sentiment, the score is equal to 0, neutral sentiment. If it is less than 0 or whatever is left out will be considered as negative. Got it? All of you have written the function? If else, elif, if elif and else function. Now, tweet text square bracket single quote sentiment is equal to square bracket str analyze underscore sentiment in bracket tweet come out of two brackets for tweet in tweet text dot tweet. Tweet text sentiment. So we have added a new column to our data frame called sentiment dot value underscore counts. We got the value counts 8,960 positive, 56725 neutral, 3,337 are negative. Sentiments. See, note, look at that. At the rate followed by capital letters, small letters, digits. Capital A hyphen capital Z. Small a hyphen small z. 0 hyphen 9. At the rate followed by capital letters, at the rate followed by lowercase letters, at the rate followed by digits. Similarly, hashtag followed by capital letters, lower letters, and digits. Then sometimes you also see this to the power of command, which is like, a white space thing followed by all these things. You will remove that. Any digits, you can remove them. Only digits are there also, we are removing it.
Forward slash, backward slash.
White spaces, strip spaces. Strip white spaces. White spaces means unnecessary spaces other than the actual space. Sometimes white spaces get inserted or hidden characters will be there in white spaces. So that we are stripping off. All of you got the sentiments? Now, in one of the common interview question is text blob, the text blob polarity. Calculates polarity based on a lexicon of words. Lexicon means a list of words. Comparison. List of words, comparison. The polarity score lies between -1 to 1. The polarity score lies between -1 to 1. Take for example, text blob in brackets, I'll give excellent. What is excellent? It's a positive word, right? So the polarity is 1, subjectivity is also 1. Excellent. Polarity is 1. Then worst. Polarity is -1. Subjectivity is 1. Subjectivity is another score, but we go with polarity. Polarity is the sentiment score. Disaster. Zero. Neutral. Because whether you know it is a good disaster or a bad disaster. Or COVID. If it doesn't, it will give you 0. But if the lexicon matches bad, minus 0.6699 polarity. Right? These polarity scores are based on a lexicon which is there. You can also give sentences also, like how we have given sentences, right? So text block, India failed to qualify for World Cup final. Dot sentiment. See, minus 0.25. Polarity is minus 0.25. Sentence polarity. It will give polarity for word. It also gives polarity for the whole sentence. Subjectivity is different. One second. I forgot actually. When I was thinking what is subjectivity. Let us check. Negative sentiment. Subjective sentences generally refer to personal opinion, emotion, or judgment, whereas objective refers to factual information. There are two things which will give subjective and objective. So, text block also calculates subjectivity. It also calculates subjectivity, right? Which refer to personal opinion, emotion, or judgment, whereas objective refers to factual information. Subjectivity is a value between 0 and 1. Subjectivity lies in range of 0 to 1. So two things are calculated. Let us say text block millions died in Second World War. Dot sentiment. Yeah. Polarity 0, subjectivity 0. Got it, all of you? Done? All of you are done? Shall we move forward? Now we will convert all the lower case into smaller case. Tweet text dot tweet is equal to tweet text dot tweet dot str dot lower. So we are converting all the capital letters into small letters. Tweet text dot tweet is equal to tweet text dot tweet dot str dot lower, string dot lower. Okay, we have converted all the uppercase letters to lowercase letters. From NLTK dot corpus, import stop words. From NLTK dot corpus, import stop words. Now, there are close to 200 stop words. Stop words are is, and, a, the, then, they. All these words come under stop. Will, we, all this come under stop words. So stop words are a predefined list of words. Is, a, and, the, they, I, all those things will be stop words. Stop words, stop underscore words is equal to set stop words in bracket, stop words dot words in brackets, single quote, English. So there are different stop words defined for different languages. Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Bengali, all have these stop words, French, German. So we want English stop words. Okay. Got it, all of you? Now, all of you check from word cloud. Do you have this package? From WRD and type tab, you should get the prompt word cloud. No? Then exclamation pip install word cloud. Earlier, all of these used to download along with NLTK. Now we have to download them separately. Pip install word cloud. Exclamation pip install word cloud. You can off it. I think now it will cool down. Or you can increase it to 24. Then you will not have that much chill. Maybe, I think it's still running, na? Ready? Right? You don't have AC remote here, right? All of you installed Word Cloud? Now, once you have installed from Word Cloud, import Word Cloud. Word Cloud is equal to Word Cloud width is equal to 1000. Currently, there is no power, it seems. If power is not there, AC will not work. Height is equal to 500, comma. Stop words is equal to stop underscore words, comma. Max underscore words is equal to 3000, comma. Repeat is equal to true. Dot generate str tweet text dot values. Why? What error is coming? Internet problem. Check internet problem. Check internet is there because power is off. It is connected, but is it running?
No internet.
No internet. That's what. Use your mobile hotspot. Might be slow. Even if it is slow, also you will not get it. Fixed size is equal to 15,8. plt.im show Word Cloud. Use your mobile phone access for the. It's a very small library. It doesn't take much of your data. What happened? Small letters. 1 second. Then open you. Anaconda Python Word Cloud. W capital, yeah. W capital. Sorry, W capital. Pip install W capital. C small letter. W capital. It's installing or you got the error again? Error on, right? Exclamation pip install word cloud, all small letters, no space. All small letters, no space. It didn't work. It didn't work, right? Okay. Then Anaconda prompt. Okay, open Anaconda prompt and do this. Conda install -c conda -forge word cloud. Anaconda prompt and run the first one. Open Anaconda prompt and install. Small letters, all small letters, dot space, word cloud.
Ambiguous option C could not match. This one.
Not double hyphen, it is single hyphen. Why did you put double hyphen? What double hyphen? It is single hyphen, no? Yes, right, small y. Small y and enter. Now run again. Conda. Space install. No, it is install. Right, small y. Hyphen C. Space. Conda -4. Space. Word cloud. Now go to from word cloud, close it. From word cloud. And remove the pip install error cell, otherwise it will cause problem again. See, whenever you do pip install, remove that cell immediately, cut it off. Because if you rewrite the notebook, you'll have a problem. Once you install, it will be there, so no need to bother. Install. Now from space, word cloud, type double word or then cap. Not word. Tab. Type, start typing the tab. Don't type the full name. Okay. 3 letters and press the tab. 3 letters and press the tab. Guys, all of you still you are not using the autofill function. 3 letters and tab. 3 letters and tab. In office, you will not get time to deal with large codes. 3 letters tab, 3 letters tab. For library names and function names, 3 letters and tab. 3 letters and tab. Why? Small y. Small y later. Actually, you should get, I think you.
Sir, I have removed all the permissions, but again, this is the next.
I don't know. You have to talk to your supervisor. Got it? You got it? Done. C capital. No, no, not capital, right? C capital. Word cloud C capital. That's a problem. Understood. Here it is C capital, now.
Common process Anaconda or
From
Python.
Anaconda from. There will be a multiple from there, Anaconda from.
There is two types of Python and in bracket Anaconda.
Python from only. Stop. No, no, not install. You have to type right and then press enter. Now it will install.
That's it.
Anaconda from Python. So check if this is not working, use Anaconda from Python. Anaconda folder. Go to list of this. Click on list of programs. List of programs here. Go to all programs. Where is the all programs first? Use the list. This one. Anaconda folder. Open it. There is a prompt here. See, PowerShell prompt. I use this prompt.
Python.
Honda.
From Python.
Type again one more time. Honda install. -C. Space. Honda -4. Space. Word cloud. Enter. Now you close the prompt and then you. Now you got it? You have to press right and then it will install. Otherwise it will not install. Wait.
Yes.
This is following this only. You can type in one straight line. No, this folder is different. Copy the error into stack Overflow and see what you can do. Copy the error into stack Overflow and see. Or with Google, copy the error into Google and see. Start with command prompt, run as administrator. Right click on command prompt. Run as administrator. Yes. Conda space install -c Conda -forge word cloud. You also, that's not working for you. Right click on prompt and open it, run as administrator. Right and close it. Go to the Anaconda folder. Click on list of all apps. Go to all apps. On top, go to all apps. Don't search for it. Go to the Anaconda folder, 64-bit. Yeah. It's there, Anaconda. Why are you minimizing it? It's there. Why are you hurrying? Come down. Anaconda prompt Python. You're using Anaconda prompt Anaconda 3 or Python?
This one.
No,
This one.
are you sure?
This one.
Right click. Right click and run as administrator. Yeah. It is not running. Right click, run as administrator. Why? Then go back to it and check it. From word cloud, import word cloud.
Then now we need to.
No, that pip install, delete it. Don't keep any pip installs in your notebooks. Cut the cells off. Huh? Whatever you, but why you keep it?
Then now we need to import.
Import it again. Without importing, how will it work? Without importing, how will it work? So word cloud is based on word frequency. The larger the size of the word, the most frequent. The smaller the size of the word, less frequent. In the backend, it will calculate frequency table of word and the number of times it is repeated frequently. If the word size is very large, that means it is the most frequent word. If the word is smaller, it means it is least frequent. And based on the frequency, the size, font size of the word will come. So word clouds are, we need to understand what are the words that are coming frequent. Second, did our cleanup process work well or not? Do you see any special characters or anything? Any special characters or any misspelled words or something which does not make sense? You have to check the cloud for any misspelled words. All of the words are correct, right? No special characters, no Chinese characters. Sometimes it will, you will have this Chinese hackers who do the hacking and send multiple tweets. What happened?
Yes. I can see.
Okay, all of you got the word cloud? And you check the word cloud, do you see any strange words or something like that? No, right? All right, all of you got this? All right, all of you are done till this point, participants? Now, we have done our analysis on sentiments. Then we have used word cloud. Word cloud inherently in the back end will break the sentences into words, and then it generates the word cloud. But our text is still in the form of sentences. Our text is still in the form of sentences. Word cloud is in its process is doing the breakup of sentences into words, and then it is showing us the words. So for us, we need to break the words into sentences into words. Once you break the sentences into words and then you remove the stop words, we have to create something called count vectorizer. Count vectorizer, like I told you, is nothing but a document term matrix like this. Document term matrix. Count vectorizer is nothing but document term matrix. On the rows, you see documents. On the columns, you see the terms. Get it right, all of you? So once the words are broken, once you have broken the sentences into words, and then you remove the stop words, then we pass on that words into count vectorizer function. Count vectorizer will convert the words into a matrix of two types. One is document term matrix or term document matrix. Document term matrix means document reference will be on the rows, terms will be on columns, like you can see here. Right? Document 1, document 0 has word geeks helps, and 2. Document 1 has 4 geeks, 0 and all. So if the document doesn't have the word, it will put zeros. And this is called sparse matrix. Sparse matrix means this matrix by default will have lot of zeros. Sparse matrix is a matrix where the matrix will have lot of zeros. So count vectorizer will do it. Now, we understanding DTM versus TDM. This is also one of the intermittent questions. What is the difference? In our tweets, we are using tweets, right? We are using tweets.
Change the date. The foundation document matrix represented as a row with doc.
Now, look at this. Terms on rows, tweets are documents on columns. Tweets are documents on columns, it becomes term document matrix. If tweets are documents are on rows and terms are on columns, it becomes document term matrix. Count vectorizer will create this. Count vectorizer will create this document term matrix. Document or tweet. In our case, it is tweets, right? One tweet is equal to one document. In our case, one tweet is equal to one document. So it can be document or it can be tweet or an update. One update is also equivalent to one document. You know, Facebook updates, right? One update will be equivalent to one document. So by default, count vectorizer will do this. Okay, so the process is we need to convert our data. First of all, we need to convert our data from sentences to words. Let us do that. For that, we have a function called word tokenize. or we can do directly. Why to word tokenize? I think it will do directly. From sklearn dot feature extraction import count vectorizer. Sorry, feature extraction dot text import count vectorizer. Vectorizer is equal to count vectorizer. Now in count vectorizer, there are a lot of options you can give. There are a lot of things which you can give in count vectorizer, the command structure. One of the things is you can fix the maximum amount of words you want. See here. Analysis is equal to word, so it will break into words. Then max underscore features. How many we want? What is the size of our data? We have 18,000 tweets, right? 17,000 tweets we have. So we can have how many features? If you take 50 observations per 50 into 300 is how much? 300. 15,000, right? 15 to 300 is 15,000. So we'll take max underscore features as 300. Max underscore features is equal to 300. Now, dog underscore term underscore matrix is equal to vectorizer dot fit underscore transform tweet text dot tweet. Tweet text dot tweet. What happened? Image copying is not there, huh? Can't copy the image, huh? Okay, we'll copy the image from some place where we can get YouTube towards data science. Copy image. Okay. Now, count vectorizer will do count vectorizer creates document term matrix. Document term matrix. See, we can't do anything with text. We have to convert it into numbers, right? Remember, this whole process is we are converting the words into numbers for analysis. Okay, all of you have done this? And these are sparse matrices. DTM and TDM are sparse matrices, which means matrix will have many zeros. They'll ask you in interviews, what is a sparse matrix? Sparse matrix is a matrix where you have lot of zeros. All right, all of you are done till this point. So we have imported the count vectorizer. Then I have defined the count vectorizer with maximum number of features as 300. That means it will only take the top 300 terms. It will only take top 300 terms. And then it will, because we have 17,000 tweets, right? We can't go beyond that one. Now to see the matrix, pd dot data frame dog underscore term underscore matrix. Hello? Yeah? Yes? Okay. Hmm. 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 Right, we have not given, yeah. Got it, Amma. I'm right now busy in a meeting. I'll call you back, okay? We have not given stop words. That's why you got unnecessary words also. So, comma, stop underscore words is equal to stop underscore words. We have defined stop words in the top, right? English stop words. Now, wait a second. Yeah. What is this? Yeah. So this is the matrix you are getting. Or let us say dot head. So okay, this is the top only, top 6 only. 300 columns. 300 columns of data we have with the what you call the words in the hmm, 300 columns, 300 variables. Variables, yeah, terms or tokens. Top 300, top 300. Now, once you have converted this into matrix, now you can use this matrix to predict the sentiment. You can use this matrix as independent variables to predict sentiment. You can use this matrix as a method to predict. Now, y is equal to tweet text dot sentiment. Capital X is equal to top underscore term underscore matrix. Document term matrix. I have written clearly now. Read the thing first. It is clearly written. Count vectorizer will by default create. What did I write? Document term matrix. which will be a sparse matrix.
Your term said 0, 1, 2.
Frequency appearing in the document. How many times the word is appearing in the document? From sklearn dot linear underscore model import logistic regression. Hello. రిసెప్షన్ థర్డ్ ఫ్లోర్ లో ఉన్నా రిసెప్షన్ లో ఇచ్చేయండి థర్డ్ ఫ్లోర్ రిసెప్షన్ లో ఇచ్చేయండి ఇమాటికస్ లెర్నింగ్ multi-class is equal to multinomial because we have three, right? More than two categories, positive, negative, and neutral. So iterations also is reached. .61 accuracy. So we are predicting the sentiment using the matrix of words. Logit predict is equal to logit dot predict from sklearn dot metrics import classification report print classification report y comma logic predict. So negative, it is having a problem. But other things are okay. Negative, it's having problem. So you want to print the confusion matrix, you can print the confusion matrix also. PD dot cross tab y comma logic predict. So you can see the confusion matrix. Only the diagonals are correct predictions. Rest of all are negative, all wrong predictions. Only the diagonals are correct prediction. Rest of all are wrong predictions. Diagonal 1197, 494, 6752 are correct predictions. Rest of all are wrong predictions. So we have 72% accuracy, wherein we have built the logistic regression model. X is our count vectorizer, which is the matrix of sparse matrix. What? All of you got the logistic regression? Now build a decision tree classifier. Yeah.
Said that AUC work with only for binary classifier.
No, you can do it for this also.
So, putting that
What are you getting?
logistic regression should be a binary classifier. It's a multi-layer classifier.
Okay, AROC cannot be done for a multi-layer classifier.
One minus sensitivity and
Multi-class classification. 1 second, let me check. Python. Receiver operating curve will work. No, 1 second. Why it is not working? It should work. From sklearn dot metrics import plot underscore ROC underscore curve. Plot underscore ROC underscore curve. Model name is logit, comma X, comma Y. Deprecated and will be removed. Okay, what it says is expected estimated to be binary classified, but logistic regression. Oh, I think for 3 classes, this thing will not work. Or you can use ROC AUC underscore score. Yeah, I think it is only for binary classification. You can't do for multinomial. So for multi-class classification, but iris it is coming. Iris have three, right? Oh, we have to do, no, we have to calculate, I think. I think you have to use the code. I think there is no function in Python. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon. Okay. Okay. Hmm. No, you should not use the tilde. You should use comma. T dot test, you have to give the two vectors separated by comma, not tilde. Tilde has to be used when one variable is categorical and one is numerical. In your case, both variables are numerical. So the separator should be comma, not tilde. Yeah. ANOVA, ignore it. Like I told in the class, ANOVA, ignore it because ANOVA will not take three inputs. It will take only the formula input, the tilde input. You can ignore ANOVA. Rest of the things you can focus. Yes, chi-square. Yes, 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 yes. Warning is okay. Warning is okay because that's not an error. Warning will come when there are zeros in the matrix. In the cross tabulation, when you have zeros, the predicted matrix, expected matrix created from the actual predicted cross tabulation created from the actual cross tabulation will have values. In the actual, you have the cell value as 0, whereas in the expected cross tabulation, it will be a value. So that is the warning it is giving. So you can ignore it. Hmm. Hmm. Don't take depth, give directly and then you alter the depth. Why you are taking depth initially? Huh? No, 98 is okay. Yeah, or you can give less, now. Why are you giving more?
Same thing, you are having 98 is getting, and 40, 94.
Same thing. 94 you are getting. Okay.
The logistic model cross-validation. I'm getting 68 and he's getting 62.
Hmm. Let me check. Maybe the term matrix is different.
Finally classified in the multi-classified in the
Hmm?
But we have to take next cycle. Next step.
How much?
At 80, it is coming 84.
Hmm.
Cross-value score is coming 60.
Mhm. Yeah. What about others? How much you got? 94.5 I got without any giving deaths. It's 0. Such max death will create problem here. So overall accuracy is 95. All are good. Precision, recall, and F1 score. You're getting? How do you get 98? Yeah, cross validation will have less.
Yes.
That is known. Okay, build random forest classifier. आपके पास एटमबर्ग फैंस है वो 1200 mm वाला विथ हाँ एटमबर्ग फैंस है क्या आपके पास? मैं विद्यानगर से बोल रहा हूँ. नहीं नहीं एक ही चाहिए, एक या दो चाहिए बस. 1200 mm का वो रेनेसा ही है ना विथ रिमोट. हाँ रेनेसा वो है ना 3300 सम कुछ है ना. हाँ हेलो. और ब्राउन का कितना है? हाँ हाँ ओके ब्राउन ही चाहिए, 2 पीस चाहिए. 2 है क्या? हाँ तो आप डिलीवर कर देंगे, एड्रेस भेजूंगा तो मैं मनी आपको. अच्छा 9009 611 41. हाँ आप थोड़ा अगर आपके पास इलेक्ट्रिशियन है तो भी भेज दीजिए, फिटिंग में का चार्जेस भी हम दे देंगे. हाँ ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम. वो मैं इलेक्ट्रिशियन मंगवा लूंगा, लेकिन मुझे वो डिलीवरी चाहिए. आप आज ही चाहिए, मिल जाएगा. मैं आपको पैसे गूगल पे में भेज दूंगा, आप नंबर या कुछ दे दीजिए. ठीक ठीक है. हाँ. क्या हुआ रैंडम फॉरेस्ट? 98. Okay, no problem. What is it? This is 94. Random, now you set the seed, then you'll get the same. Random state. If you say random state is 42, both of you will get the same. Otherwise, you will not get the same answer. Because random sampling, na? There is a random state involved here. So no two people will get the same. Even if I run, say from sklearn dot ensemble import random forest classifier. RF is equal to how many estimators you gave? That means 500 estimators. By default is 500. N underscore estimators is equal to 1000 dot fit x comma y. I get 1000. By default is 500. A small data set only, it should run faster. Right. 94.57. I got exactly same.
Yes, sir.
No, decision tree, this also gave same. How come?
Yes, sir.
Exactly same, how we will get? Please check Aleph.credit, comma, by, sorry. Three zero two five 309. This is such a matrix is different. Oral accuracy is same, but matrix is different. See, यहाँ पे देखो 3060 285 32 या 3025 2309. So no problem. Print print classification report y comma RF predict 98 90 94 87 98 93 overall 95. This is also good foot model, random forest classifier. Hmm?
98.
So you can run rest of the models. Neighbors, my neighbors have to use multinomial NB. హలో చెప్పండి. అది అవును 2 atom bomb fans కావాలి. అదే రెనెసా ప్లస్ బ్రౌన్ కలర్. బ్రౌన్ కలర్ ఏదో ఉంటుందన్న అవైలబుల్గా ఉందన్నారు కదా, మ్యాట్ బ్రౌన్ అదే 3700 చెప్పారు. యాక్చువల్గా నాకు హోమ్ డెలివరీ చేస్తారా? నేను గచ్చిబౌలిలో ఆఫీస్లో ఉన్నాను ప్రస్తుతం, ఉండేది విద్యానగర్లో. విద్యానగర్, మన అడిక్మేట్ సైడ్ విద్యానగర్ ఉంది కదా, అక్కడ మా పేరెంట్స్ ఉంటారు. అక్కడ మీకు డెలివర్ చేస్తా అంటే నేను అమౌంట్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తాను. మీకు ఇస్తారు కదా, మా పేరెంట్స్ ఉంటారు, నేను చెప్తాను. వాళ్ళు క్యాష్ ఇవ్వమంటే క్యాష్ ఇస్తారు, లేదా నేను గూగుల్ పే చేయమంటే ఇప్పుడే గూగుల్ పే చేస్తాను. లేదు మీరు క్యాష్ ఇమ్మంటే మీరు డెలివరీ చేసిన తర్వాత మా పేరెంట్స్ ఉంటారు, అక్కడ క్యాష్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు మీకు. అదే మ్యాట్ బ్రౌన్ విత్ రిమోటే కదా, డస్ట్ అసిస్టెంట్ అన్నీ అయిపోయాయి కదా. అదే రెనెసా 1200 mm కదా, స్పీడ్గానే ఉంటుంది కదా ఫ్యాన్. ఓకే ఏంటి, నేను పంపిస్తాను క్యాష్. మీకు పంపించమంటే పంపిస్తాను, లేదు క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ అంటే మా పేరెంట్స్ చెప్తే వాళ్ళు క్యాష్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు మీకు, విత్ ఆటో ఫేర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది ఇచ్చేస్తారు. ఇది హోమ్ అడ్రస్సా? ఓకే, మీరు ఓకే మీరు చెప్పండి, ఎంతైనా పర్లేదు. నేను నాకు తొందరగా పంపించండి, నేను ఎలక్ట్రీషియన్ కూడా చెప్తాను, ఫిట్టింగ్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, నేను వాట్సాప్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే. Okay, so I'm sending it. One 73705. All right, I'll send this. In the next class, we will do web scraping. So Twitter thing you can try. First, you verify your mobile phones on Twitter. You have Twitter account? No, then it's okay, no problem. You can leave it. If you are interested, you can open a Twitter account, mobile verify, and go to developer.twitter.com. Fill up all the things, then you'll get an app. It will open. It was earlier there was no internet problem. No, now it will open. Developer.twitter.com. No. Just deliver.twitter.com, developer.twitter.com. If you should have an official Twitter account.
Yes, sir.
Create app. Hmm? You have to do sign in. You have to have Twitter account. Is it mobile verified? You have verified your mobile? Then you can say you have to sign in with your Twitter account only. You see create app, apps. On the top, you see something called apps or create app.